Hey, welcome to Everyday Reviews. In this series, we take you to China, where ancient tradition meets cutting-edge technology to experience some of the incredible innovation happening here firsthand. We'll explore the explosion of high-speed rail, dive into one of the world's fastest-growing automotive markets, and even go behind the scenes at one of China's leading automotive factories. But I didn't come all this way just to look. I actually got my Chinese driver's license so I can take you behind the wheel and experience some of these incredible vehicles for myself. And along the way, we'll discover some technology and vehicles that might make you just go, So make sure to like and follow for all of our content. But first, here's a vehicle that takes comfort to a whole new level. Some of you may know I have a huge affinity for minivans. I really do believe it is the perfect vehicle for everyday use, that they're so practical. You get covered storage, they're better than pickup trucks in my opinion. And yeah, they're the perfect family vehicle. Well, you don't see that many around anymore, but if you saw ones like this, maybe that may be different. This is the Zeekr 009, but not any 009. This is the 009 Grand. And when I say Grand, this thing has every single thing that I would want in a minivan and more. So let's take a tour. All right, starting from the actual body itself. Yeah, it's a very stylish minivan, or MPV as they call it. You have those big monoblock wheels. We saw those when we just tested the 9X. This grille is wild. It has this kind of cascading waterfall type of animation in the lighting here. This thing looks very, very executive. You have the black chrome. And if we move up top, you'll see this has multiple cameras, tons and tons of cameras. These vehicles in China have tons of cameras, plus LiDAR. You can see the right up there for smart driving or autonomous driving. Yeah, so that is, like this is, when you see this on the road, you're like, wow, that's impressive. But wait, there's a lot more. Let's just come around and just show you the back before we head into the inside. Let's open that up. There is the back here. Now, this is a fully electric vehicle. And that's one thing that I really wish that we had in North America, is a fully electric minivan. Yeah, we do have the ID Buzz, and some larger SUVs that are electrified, but not a minivan. So this one has 790 horsepower, all-wheel drive, of course, and you actually have range up to 500 to 700 kilometers. Now, this is where it's going to get really good. Check this out, everybody. Okay, I'm going to step in here. All right, so normally the 009 is a 3-row vehicle. Well, this one, as you can see, does not have a 3rd row. It is only a 2-row vehicle. You have these executive seats. They are heated, they're ventilated, they have massage, they recline. So since you get rid of that 3rd row, you have all this extra space here, as you can see. Let's just bring it around here. You have this very cool light signature that they have. All right, so far so good, right? We have a massive sunroof. Now this is also like an ultra suede. Speakers from the Yamaha system built into the headrest. Nice pillows on the seat, but controls, wireless charging, your drink holder, of course. All right, some of this is in Chinese, but I can figure it out. You have windows, you have your memory and your electric power seat. Now we swing around here. We have our controller, a remote controller. We have something else here that we'll check out in a second. All right, in this middle console, there is lockable storage. Now it's locked with a code, so you can put your real valuables here, and you can actually just access it through this. Now this is also equipped with Eva, which is their smart assistant, and this one can actually understand English as well. But look at this, here we go. The piece de resistance, a 43-inch TV right in front of you. You can play games, you can watch movies, and stream live TV. Not only that, you can actually do conference calls because there's with a camera. And if I go and press this button here, watch this. It actually projects my voice in-car calling. I can talk to the person in the front, and I can see up the front too. And if I don't want to see them, I can just close that down. As easy as that. What else does this have? Well, when you're sitting relaxing, maybe you're doing some karaoke, we actually have a refrigerator. It's nice and cool in there. All right. We have some lights and, oh, want to touch up or something like that? Oh, there's a little mirror. Hello, how are ya? Okay, we have USBs, we have handles. There's a lot more to this. I bet you I'm missing out on some of the features, but yeah, look at this. This is the way to travel. I am serious. I think I'm just gonna put my legs up here. Oh, you know what? There's a quick button here I could have just pressed. It's one touch, relaxation. All right, one touch. Oh, even I wasn't done yet. The footrest actually folds out. Okay, so what does all this grandness cost? Well, in Chinese currency, this is equivalent to 800,000 RMB. So you're looking at probably about, it's like 5 to 1 or so in conversion. If you want to compare this to just a regular 009, that goes for about 400,000. So you're literally paying double the price for this grand, but you are getting something extremely, extremely special. If you need to make some notes while you're having your conference meeting or something, you can actually just pull this up on each side, and you actually get a nice executive table, just like that. Now, you can be taking your notes, listening to some music, doing some work on your laptop, whatever. This is very, very comfortable. And of course, you could have your climate control and your massage on at the same time. Even though the seats have been moved back, there's still decent room. Actually, a lot of room back here for any type of luggage. Now look at this. Even if you don't go for that ultra executive grand 009, the regular 3-row is pretty opulent. All power controls everywhere. This is still like business class seating, and you have that nice 3rd row. The seats are so plush. I love the leather on here. So I would say this would be like a very, very nice business class, while that grand, that's your 1st class. That's it for our little look at the Zeekr 009 Grand. Let me know, what do you think in the comments? Do you think if we could get minivans like this, which are electrified with almost 800 horsepower and had seating like this, hey, would minivans be cool again? I'd say absolutely. See you in the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Ciao.